Hello guys, in today's video I talk about how to fix WhatsApp download failed problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section, then go to the search and search on WhatsApp, then go to the storage. Here you will find this clear cache option, click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone or maybe turn the Wi-Fi off and turn it on, or turn the Bluetooth off and on. And then if it didn't work, you can try to clear data, but be careful, all your documents and all your media will be deleted and the messages, so be careful when you want to clear data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.